Hi, with her now and a very special guest. What's going on, team?
All right, Dr. Ava Bushai is here. Ava.
Yes.
Dr. Ava. And Steven. And what's the dog's name?
Snoopy. Mr. Snoopy.
Snoopy, the pug. So I have a microphone, so let me see if we can make sure we pick up his noise.
We heard the cute lick.
There we go.
It'll be louder later.
Okay, so we're talking about dental care because I used to have chihuahuas.
Okay, so you know
Very
all
familiar.
about it. Yes.
And the surgery, the dental, work that they do. And it's always kind of, one, expensive.
Yep.
Two, important
Yep.
for the dog's health. But three, very stressful for the owner.
Yes.
Did I get it right?
Yeah, you got all the points. I guess
Where do you
go.
work?
I work at Old Town Animal Hospital in Fair Oaks.
Okay.
So I'm glad you brought up Chihuahuas because for me they're the poster child of little dogs with bad teeth. Genetically, they just have very bad teeth.
And breath.
You are right, and breath.
Mm-hmm.
But what I do want to talk about are the things that we could do to help that so that
Okay.
you don't have this crazy bill when they're 13, 14 years old.
Okay.
And then they get all their teeth taken out, and then their tongue is sticking out, and
Yes.
they just look silly.
Yes.
And
But does it happen more so bad teeth with smaller dogs?
yes, it does. So Chihuahuas, Pomeranians, Shih Tzus, those are the poster children for what I call affectionately trash mouth. They just have very bad teeth. So typically by the time they are 4 years old is when I would recommend their first dental.
Okay.
The earlier you start doing dentals, the fewer teeth they need removed,
Okay.
and the less expensive it is.
How often do you recommend having a dog get a dental?
So it really depends on the dog,
Okay.
but usually I say around 4 or 5 years old is when to start,
Okay.
and then every couple of years after that.
Okay.
But we're always looking at their teeth and assessing their teeth, and we also take into consideration like any underlying diseases.
Yes.
We don't want a sick dog being put under anesthesia.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, that actually leads me to the point of, well, what can we do to prevent horrible mouths?
Okay.
So starting early, like toothbrushing pretty early on is helpful.
Our chihuahuas did not like that.
Yes.
They did not appreciate
So a lot of dogs don't like it.
Mhm.
Some dogs are fine with it.
Okay.
It's not realistic for a lot of people. I can barely brush my own teeth, which I probably shouldn't say on TV, but
Okay.
it takes time. I don't want to do it.
Uh-huh.
I do it though. Second is you can there's a variety of dental products right now. There's like 1 million products you can buy. If you are going to buy like dental chews, you want to look for something that has this seal right here.
What does that sound?
So it's VOHC. Sorry, it's kind of small, but
Okay.
it stands for the Veterinary Oral Health Council. This one actually is in the process of getting approved for it.
Okay.
But this council is basically a council of veterinary dentists that have gotten together to basically tell us which products they recommend and which
Okay.
ones they think actually are going to work.
So you brought your doggy in, and
did.
Are we going to brush teeth or what?
Yeah, so I'm going to show you just how realistic it is to brush your dog's teeth,
Okay.
and then also show you the other things you can do.
And I will hold the microphone close to. What's the dog's name again?
Snoopy.
Snoopy. That's right. Okay.
Sir Snoopy.
Okay.
All right, here we go. So this is Snoopy, and these are his little nubs. So
Are you putting anything like that chicken toothpaste?
So usually yes, but I forgot to bring it. So instead,
We have nachos.
buddy.
It's nachos.
you can see that that's just not feasible. So instead, they do make dental wipes,
Oh, that's good.
which actually this is my first time doing this on him.
Oh. Okay.
So we'll see how this
Well,
goes.
What does it smell like?
Nothing.
Okay.
So you really just get it. Oh wow, he's actually doing pretty well with this.
Oh.
It's not
Oh,
about
buddy.
being perfect, it's about just being.
This is how Ashley made Morgan try yams earlier.
Yeah, I was like,
perfect.
You're gonna try it.
Oh, boy.
Okay, so do greenies or any like chews help with the
Yes,
cleaning?
greenies are great. So basically, what the dental products are doing is they have a chemical in them that prevents bacteria from gripping onto the
Okay.
teeth. So it helps decrease the bacterial load.
Okay.
As you can see, he loves these.
Will you return because we're out of time? And wow, what is that? Is that
It's a dental chew.
dental?
Tina,
chew?
put the mic on here.
Steven.
We can watch this for 5 minutes.
Okay. Well, there you go. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much for having me.
And well, I hope you will come back and teach us more things about our pets.
Of course.
We'll be right back. Snoopy.
Doug said it's ASMR.
Yeah. We call it pug ASMR.
I'm getting it.
All right, we'll be back. Thank you.
Thanks so much for having us.